Gusto mo ba maging call center agent subalit hindi ka magaling mag-English, wala kang confidence, wala kang work experience at lalong-lalo na wala kang kaalam-alam kung ano ang call center na yan? Well, good news to you my friend. Today, I'm gonna share you in this video a simple tip kung paano maging fluent maging English at isang simple tip kung paano maipasa ang kahit anong call center interview. Now, my number one tip kung paano maging fluent mag-English is to practice introducing yourself gamit ang English na meron kang scripted or template na preparado. Ito po ang isang example kung paano mag-introduce ng sarili mo kasi gamit na gamit po ito especially pag mag-a-apply po kayo sa call center. Now, ito po yung template. Hi, good day. My name is, yung pangalan mo. I am from, saan ka nang galing? Your highest educational attainment, for example, college graduate ka, ano yung course mo. And, bonus is, if meron po kayong hobby, napaka-powerful po niyan. And lastly po, every time na mag-e-end kayo ng answer nyo, always say, that is all. For example, hi, good day. My name is Nick. I am from Hinubaan, Negros Occidental. I took up Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics at Silliman University. And my favorite hobby is running. That is all. Now, my number one tip naman po kung paano maipasa ang kahit anong call center interview is to never ever say anything bad about yourself. And of course, palagi po kayo mag-English sa sagot nyo and always end your answer with that is all. Yung pinaka most common question po sa kahit anong interview is tell me something about yourself. Again, never say anything bad about yourself. Now, yung pinractice po natin kanina kung paano mag-introduce ng self mo is pwede mo rin po itong gamitin dito sa tell me something about yourself. Let's go back again. For example, sabi po ng interviewer, okay Nick, can you please tell me something about yourself? Pasok agad. Hi, sir. Good day. My name is Nick and I am from Hinubaan, Negros Occidental. I took up Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics at Silliman University. And my favorite hobby is running because it makes my heart stronger. And because I highly believe that health is wealth. That is all. So yun na po guys. Now guys, if gusto nyo po na medyo in-depth niya tutorial about English fluency at kung paano maipasa ang kahit anong call center interview, is I highly invite nyo po, ini-invite ko po kayo na sumali sa aking call center live online training this coming May 2 around 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. po. This is going to be a live Zoom training. The training is recorded. Also, after the training, pwede po kayo magtanong ng kahit ano, unlimited Q&A. So, I'll be giving you a free call center ebook.